Bowls like this are great when cooking for more than one person because everyone can build their meal with their favorite ingredients. It's a simple way to please everyone's taste. Start by cooking the rice by following the directions on the package. Any rice is fine, but try to choose brown or wild rice to add more whole grains to your diet. You can also use leftover rice or make it ahead of time. Then prepare the beans. Mix the cumin and the garlic powder into the beans. Heat them in the microwave or on the stove over medium heat until warm. Make the salsa. This step is optional. In a bowl, mix the diced tomatoes, cilantro, onion, lime juice, and jalapeno if you want a little bit of heat. Make extra salsa to use in wraps or as part of a snack. Prepare the veggies. Slice or dice the avocado, bell peppers, and any other veggies you want to add. Prepare the garnishes. If you're adding cheese, use it as a condiment. A couple of tablespoons will do. Assemble the bowls. In each bowl, add rice, beans, and your favorite veggies. Top with cheese, sour cream, jalapenos, and or cilantro. And enjoy!